Be confident. Get angry. Be a bitch for once. Be a bitch. This is your life. No. Bitch, what are you doing? Decree your shit. There should be no other plan other than the one that you want to transpire into your life. There is no plan B. There is no going to Barbados in 3rd or 2nd class. We are going to Barbados and we are going there 1st class. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to book any of my services or enroll in any of my courses. My services being one-on-one coaching, collective coaching, and booking customized subliminal. You can also enroll in a course. The courses that I currently offer are the Perfect Self-Concept, the Manifest Your SP course, the Game of Alignment course, and Subliminal Secrets. All of the information is on ritakaminski.com, and with that, let's get into it. Do you remember the scene from Legally Blonde where the career advisor was asking Elle Woods if she has a plan B other than going to Harvard? And Elle Woods says, "No, I do not have a plan B. I'm going to Harvard." B. Elle Woods.
What are your backups?
I don't need backups. I'm going to Harvard.
You don't have any other plans but plan A. The thing that you are manifesting right now. Matter of fact, you're not motherfucking manifesting shit. You have it right now. You have to say it and know it with so much oomph. You have to get angry about this. This is your fucking life. Is there anything in your life where someone acts a certain way and you're like, the fucking audacity? I do not accept this bullshit. You have to see manifesting the same way. I am not accepting this bullshit 3D reality. No matter how good it looks, I'm not settling for anything less than 100% of my motherfucking manifestation. Grow some balls. Decree it into being. Say it with your chest. Be confident. Get angry. Be a bitch for once. Be a bitch. This is your life. No, I'm not taking that fucking text. No, I'm not taking those fucking YouTube views. No, I am not taking this motherfucking house. It's all bullshit. It does not exist. I'm not available for this reality. I'm not available for an SP that just ticks 5 out of 10 of my boxes. He's ticking each and every single one and then motherfucking some. Because do you know who I am? I am a perfect being made by a perfect creator. Do you think I'm going to settle for some dust on the ground? Even the cleanest fucking dirt on the ground is still dirt because it's not what you 100% wanted. Do not settle for less, no matter how good it looks, guys. Oh, you know, I'm just going to get this white Mercedes with a red interior, even though I've been manifesting a white Mercedes with a beige interior. Like, no, bitch, you were manifesting a white Mercedes with a beige interior, bitch. Like, no, be a bitch, be a spoiled brat. You have your shit right now. You're not taking any no's for an answer. I'm manifesting 100,000 views per video. And no, I'm not taking 70,000 views here, 50,000 views there. I damn well sure do not even exist in a reality where I have 5,000 views per video. I don't give a shit. It's not my reality. Be a spoiled, entitled, Nepo baby. I know my worth. I know what I want. It is mine now. The end has no fucking choice but to give it to me because I'm living in the end. It's here now. I'm not appeasing the subconscious mind. I'm not appeasing anything or anyone. It's here because I said so. That's it. Hell, even robotically filming. No. You know what? No. Actually, I have it right now. And I'm not taking no for an answer. I'm not taking 80% of what I want for a motherfucking answer, bitch. Grow some fucking balls. Stand up. This is your life. Your life is on the line. Do you want to live a life being exhausted after work, like not go on any adventures, not being able to afford anything for yourself, having your cup being constantly empty? Like, that's not a motherfucking life. So yeah, your life is quite literally on the line right now. Get angry. This is your fucking life. You don't have to do anything but right now decide that this SP is mine. This career is mine. This business is mine. I am making this amount per year. I am getting 1 million fucking views per video. I have 5 million followers on TikTok. I have 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I have one true, real, amazing best friend. I travel once every 2 months, first class. It all just flows effortlessly and seamlessly for me. I damn sure don't have to worry about my health or my body or how I look. Like, that's already a given. Everything is easy for me. Everything falls in my lap. I don't even have to think about it. It's not a problem for me. Nothing is a problem for me. Stand the fuck up. Why are you letting shit be your standard? Why do you think that you only deserve shit? Really just think about it right now. That's fucking sad. Why does Sally and Sarah and all of these fucking knuckleheads get their shit? Do you think they're better than you? No. Everyone was born out of a vagina. Mostly. Everyone has blood. Everyone has skin. A person is no better than you. It's their audacity to be like, yeah, I deserve this. Don't bend your back, break your freaking skull getting your shit. You are still in the fucking system. How do you not understand? You're still in the fucking system. Wake up. Grow a backbone. Be a bitch. Be a fucking bitch. Be the biggest fucking bitch that you have ever seen in your motherfucking life. I am giving you permission right now. Because as long as it concerns your happiness, you're gonna be able to make everyone else happy around you. But it starts with you. Your life is on the motherfucking line. Get up and start decreeing it with your whole chest. Be the you that has it all now. And stop chasing and running around being like, have I done it properly? Yes, bitch, you have. I said it, that means that it's fucking true right now. That's it, period.